Assam includes many communities, whereas Bodo is the largest ethno-linguistic group in the Assam state of India. They constitute about 5 to 6% of Assam's population. They covered 1.41 million population according to 2011 census. We will be presenting one of the traditional process of wine making, which is known as dough in Bodo community.
बै समाव माने सासे बोराया बुरि दंमोन बिसोर सासे राजानि माने बिसोरो बन रोगाना हैबाय थायो आरो बिसोरो सानफ्रामबो रोगाना हैबाय थायो आरो बेजोंनो बिसोर सोलियो आरो न'खरखौ मोननै रोखोमनि जाहैबाय जेनेबा दाथ' गोरानबो संबाय बिदै लोंनाय जाहैबाय संनानै अफ्रि जाग्राबो खालामो आरो अफ्रिखौनो जायो बिसोरो बिदैखौ लोङा बे अफ्रिखौनो एफा एफा राननानै जायो आरो ओमफ्राय बेनो बुरजा जायोबा निसा नाङो आरो बिदिबो जायो आरो बेखौ लायोबा मोनथाम रोखोमनि जायो आरो मोनसे अफ्रि जानाय ओमफ्राय मोनसेया बे बिदै सेबनानै लोंनाय ओमफ्राय मोनसेया बे लोंखांनायखौ माने आरोबाव मा खालामनानै मा होनो गोरान मावलायलायनानै.
Let's begin with the first step of wine making process. Firstly, we have to make yeast, which is called amao in Bodo. The ingredients of making an amao includes makhana, bongphang rakhep, fern, pineapple leaves, jackfruit leaves, and banana leaves. After grinding the ingredients, they start kneading the dough. Then they roll the dough into medium-sized circles. They are carefully placed on the top of broomsticks and sprinkled with dry amao, and then covered with aligned broomsticks once again. After that, they are dried inside the house without keeping in touch with the sunlight for about 2 to 3 days. It dries on its own and now it is ready to be used. The cooked rice is cooled on banana leaves. The yeast cake is sprinkled on the cooled rice according to the storage time amount. For example, if the rice is to be dried for a little longer period of time, then the dried yeast cake is sprinkled in more amount. Then a hole is made in between the cooled rice. So, in order to keep all the insects away, on the top, the broomsticks are aligned in any shape. Again, it is covered with banana leaves for minimum 2 to 3 days. Then it is kept in a bucket for 3 days. It can also be kept for longer period of time. Then a glass made of bamboo stick are pressed in between the rice and its juice is collected. They have two types of rice wine. From the fermented rice, they make two varieties of wine. One is called Bodo and the other one is called gwran. The process of distilled rice wine, gwran, making starts from when in the bottom layer the extracted rice will be placed in the pot. After that, they put another 2 layers on the top. In the second part, they put one kind of soil pot, and under the dust row we have to place another small soil pot for storing wine, and in the top of the dust row they put another pot here where the cold water is added. When the bottom layer of extracted rice starts to get boiled, and by water vaporization the top gets heated, so the heated water of the top keeps dropping in the storage pot. When the boiled water gets heated, they have to remove water for 2 to 3 times and have to replace it with the new cold water. From the small hole of the middle pot, dust row, it gets vaporized and the water gets stored in the small soil pot, which is placed in under the large pot in the middle. The law doesn't allow the state of alcohol, but people sell and buy it illegally. Not only the older people, but the younger generation also falling prey to alcohol. Many people die for this alcohol, and it causes many diseases like cancer, heart disease, liver disease, road accident, and also domestic problems.